Hi, I'm Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to use automatic turning plane rotation feature available in SolidCAM 2016. What we have in front of ourselves is the Hermes C42U table 5-axis machine, which actually has also the turning capabilities, where the C-axis can emulate the spinning in order to perform turning operation. Now what I have over here is a small demonstration part which is clamped into the jaws and the chuck, and has the basic geometries where we can show this feature. Now you may ask yourself, why would the 5-axis machine have the turning capabilities? Well, there is some geometries on the parts which are cylindrical, which request higher precision to be done, and the only way to do it is to do it with a turn. So for example, this radius over here, maybe internal diameter, and etc. Now what I have over here is a simple base turning operation. I'll double click on it and I'll just jump to the tools section. I'll open my machine view, and what we have over here, it's our tables, our spindle, our tool, together with a fixture, part, spin direction, coordinate system, and etc. Now let me try to reorient my machine preview as it is defined in tool preview as well in tool angle feature. I'll just rotate it in this way. Okay, it's not perfect. I'll focus on the tool. Good. Okay, so the coordinate systems that you can see in the tool preview, tool angle, machine preview are the Mach 1 position 1 defined in the CAM part itself. So all those coordinate systems are consistent, and changing some of those icons directly affects the position and the orientation of the tool in this operation. So I'll start to change these icons, and here it is. Now those two icons represent, the angle of the tool, which is actually parallel to the z-axis as it is over here. Switching to the position that it's over here actually represent that you actually want to cut it on the radial. But as you know, this machine doesn't have the b-axis on the spindle as it is that usual on the military machines, but it actually has the tilting angle, which is the a-axis. So let me just exit from this operation, and over here I have already defined some of the operation which actually has the tool that is defined with this icon over here. And if I open the tool preview, what we can see is that a-axis is automatically on -90 degrees in order to perform this on the radial. Now let me just jump again to my first operation. And now I'll show you how the automatic turning plane coordinate system actually works. Over here we have additional angle, and as you know, if I go to my front view, the turning operations always works in the XZ plane. So changing the additional angle and the a-axis, actually the tilting angle, the turning plane needs to be rotated. Therefore, if I start to rotate my angle or my tilting angle to the minus, the coordinate system will change itself, as you can see it over here. So any angle of this one is positive as it is defined by the machine manufacturer. Nice. I'll just move it back to 0. And what we have also available as an available feature is turning plane rotation. Turning plane rotation will rotate this, the coordinate system again in the z, but will not change the angle itself. of the tool. So I'll just move this to the 0. Now let me go to the third operation itself, and over here we have the turning plane is defined by the angle pair itself, where we have the first and the second because this machine is capable to do on the A90 and the plus 90 itself. So rotating on the second angle pair, it will switch it to the second position, but as the spindle is red, it means that my y-axis is actually beyond the machine limit. So I'll just move it to the first axis. Let me try to load machine simulation and see these operations. Okay, let me turn off the machine. Housing, we don't need it in this case. And just run it very fast. First it's our face turning. Then we have outside turning. This is all the operations done on A0, then A minus 90. We have outside turning, then the trapezoidal turning. On the A0, C minus 90, minus 35 degrees, simultaneously turning some of the eye machining operations. I hope you like this feature and see you in the next video. For any question, please contact SolidCAM support on solidcam.com, clicking on the live help button.